Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about how long does a moisturize and seal last. Now, my moisturize and seal normally lasts as long as I keep my hair braided or twisted. So for those who don't know what a moisturize and seal is, a moisturize and seal means you take some moisturizer and add it to your hair. You take a moisturizer and add it to your hair. And then you take some oil, your favorite oil, and you add it on top. And then you braid it or twist it up and keep it like that for a while. When our hair is out and not braided or twisted, our hair tends to dry out. A lot of naturals say, my hair is so dry. Every time I look around, my hair is so dry. Your hair is dry because it's out. Our hair naturally dries out. So if it's not braided or twisted or in some type of bun, because lately I've been rocking a bun. So I haven't had a shampoo since October 4th, which is my birthday. And today is November 6th, so it's like a month since I've shampooed and moisturized and sealed my hair. But I'm saying that to say this. My hair is still moisturized and sealed. And the reason why it's moisturized and still sealed is because my hair stayed braided and the hair that's inside. I'm going to show you something. When I twist my hair like this, the moisturizer is already on my hair. And when I take the oil and go down the shaft of my hair, it seals in the moisturizer. Sealing means to keep and to hold and to place in that spot until further notice. Until you take your hair down or something. So I took my hair down. This is like my third time taking my hair down. And every time I take my hair down, my hair still feels moisturized. Did I add moisturizer in my hair within these last 4 weeks? Yes, I did. I had to because when the weather changed, when the weather started getting cold, my scalp started itching. So I'm like, it was itching so crazy, like real crazy. And I'm like, uh-oh, I need to add some moisturizer. So usually when your scalp is itchy, it's because it's dry. And when your scalp is dry, you need moisture. So I don't do well with just spraying water in my hair. Some girls be like, oh girl, all I do is just spray a little. I just spray a little bit of water in my hair and I just mist it and it makes my hair back juicy. No, I can't do that. You can't rejuice me with no water. I need moisturizer. So when I had shampooed and I keep wanting to say blow dried. When I had shampooed and moisturized and sealed my hair, I didn't use a moisturizer that day. I used my leave-in conditioner, which was the Blue Magic Argan Oil leave-in conditioner. And sure enough, my scalp started drying out. And I had made a video saying, you know, leave-in conditioners versus moisturizers. But I think I forgot to tell you guys that the moisturizers keep my scalp from itching versus leave-in conditioners. I think I did say it in another video though. But I just thought it was just that particular leave-in conditioner. But leave-in conditioners don't keep my scalp from itching like my Marks Lano Luster and my hair grease. Okay, so have you guys ever seen my Marks Lano Luster? Do I have some around? I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I had to put my Marks Lano Luster in my hair and on my scalp because my scalp was so itchy, guys, to where I was about to, I know I scratched some bald spots in my head somewhere. But I'm going to show you what it looks like just in case you've never seen it. This is a moisturizer, not a grease. A lot of people think this is a grease. This is not a grease. This is a moisturizer. Moisturizers have water in it. And this is what this has. It has water in it. Okay? Moisturizers have water and glycerin, stuff like that. So yes, I did. When I took my hair down, no I didn't. I didn't take it down and moisturize. My hair was still braided when I put the moisturizer in my hair. And then I added some more hair grease. I think I used my Blue Magic Indian Hemp at that time. So, but even when I took my hair down and rebraided and took it down and stuff like that, it was still shiny and moisturizing. Yes, it's dirty. It's time for a shampoo. It's time for, you know, the works. But yeah, so long as I have my moisturizer and my oil, my hair stays moisturized. But even if I don't, yeah, my hair still stays moisturized because I still did it with oil. So to answer your question, I'll answer two questions. One of my frequent questions is how often do you grease your scalp? And how often do you moisturize your hair? This time of year, since it's getting cold outside, I think I do it somewhere around 4 times a month. But like when I was having this episode, I think I was doing it like every 2 or 3 days. I don't know. But I do it really as needed. So I needed some moisture. I had the moisturizer in my hair. If I keep it braided and don't take it down, my hair will stay moisturized on the inside of the braid and twist. It will stay that way as long as it's locked, as long as it's braided or twisted and locked in place. Once I take it down, throughout the day, it will dry out. So right now, my hair is still moisturized because I just took my hair down maybe about an hour ago. I said, let me talk to you guys about this. Do I take my hair down when I moisturize and seal? The answer is no. If my hair is already braided or twisted, I just take the moisturizer and put it on top of the braids and the twist. I don't take my hair down and braid it back up, take it down, braid it up. I'm just not that person. Once my hair is braided, it just stays that way unless I get tired of looking at it. And like, I did get tired of looking at it this time, so I took down those twists and added some braids. I didn't comb it out or nothing. Then I got tired of that, and then I just threw it up in a ball for the last week or so. So I hope I answered you guys' questions about how long does my hair stay moisturized and sealed. It can stay forever as long as I keep my hair braided or twisted. Okay, so anyway guys, I think that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. No, wait a minute, let me talk to you guys about something. So I hope you guys are still participating in the Protective Style Challenge, keeping your hair braided and twisted. I know I have not been on camera for like the last month or so because I lost my mind in October and celebrated my whole birthday and Halloween for the whole month of October. But you don't need me to keep saying, hey, are you still keeping your ends sealed? You keep your hair tucked away? As long as your hair is tucked away, guys, you ain't got to worry about nothing. No rubbing or no nothing like that. Keep your ends tucked away. Keep all that heat out your head. Keep them other people out your head. Don't be putting no color, permanent color in your hair. Just leave your hair alone and keep it moisturized and sealed. Keep it clean, shampooed or co-washed, and leave your hair alone. And yeah, so the challenge ends in December. And yeah, I'm still in it. I'm still in it to win it. I'm still in it to win it. So, that's for real. That's for real that time. I'm finished for real. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.